Want to use Adobe Illustrator without paying for it? In this video, I'll show you a 100% legal and safe way to get an Illustrator-like experience for free. It works on both Mac and Windows, and the best part, you don't have to download anything. Let's get started. First, grab your computer and open up any web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but Safari, Firefox, or Edge will work just fine. Now, in the search bar, type photopea.com and press enter. This takes you directly to the Photopea website. Next, click on Start Using Photopea. Photopea is a powerful online tool that closely mirrors Adobe Illustrator's layout and features. You can import your own files by clicking Open from Computer, and it supports Illustrator files along with many other formats. Let me quickly show you how it works. I'll select New Project. From here you can set custom dimensions, adjust settings, or choose from ready-made presets. For example, I'll pick YouTube thumbnail and click Create, and just like that, you've got a blank canvas, very similar to what you'd see in Illustrator. On the left, you'll notice familiar design tools, and across the top, menus like File, Edit, and more. It really feels like Illustrator, but right in your browser and completely free. Now, you might be wondering, is this legal? The answer is yes. Photopea was built from scratch by independent developers. It's not owned by Adobe, but it's supported by ads, which is why you can use it at no cost. You will see some ads on the side, but they're not too distracting. If they bother you, you can block them with an ad blocker or use a browser like Brave for an ad-free experience. And that's it. That's how you can enjoy a full Illustrator-style design experience without paying a dime, right from your Mac or PC. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.